delicious and refreshing summer recipes.
We have 3 salads. Each are perfect to serve on a hot summer day.
If we ever get one.
I know. Joining us live this morning is Myo Quinn, senior editor for Simply Recipes. Myo, good morning.
Hi. I'm so happy to be here to make you salad at 10 a.m. in the morning.
You know what?
Our favorite meal to eat at this time.
We eat lots of things at 10 in the morning. Salad is probably the healthiest.
I'll take it.
Okay, so before we get started,
Sure.
can you give us some examples of fruits and vegetables that are in season right now?
Absolutely. I'm going to start with strawberries, which I don't have today, but that's okay. You should. Strawberries.
I have
Strawberries
some.
are
Watermelon.
Yep.
Yeah.
Cucumber.
Okay.
Tomatoes, definitely.
Okay, are they though? They are actually in season?
Yeah, they're a summer fruit.
They're coming in now.
Okay.
Yeah, and then you'll get peaches and nectarines a little later in the summer.
Love that. I love all
I love the
the
summer
fresh
produce.
fruit. Okay.
New Jersey has the best tomatoes.
That's what I'm saying.
That's right.
It's
They
amazing.
do.
Just saying.
Yeah.
They do.
All right, you have 3 salads out in front of us
do.
today. Let's start with the one that is all over the TikTok, the watermelon feta salad. And I see some mitten there. I'm all here for this.
It is all the rage in TikTok. Again, it comes back summer after summer for good reason.
Before you arrange, how does one pick the
Yes.
perfect watermelon? Because not me at the grocery store like this.
Oh God,
no,
I can
no.
see.
Unless
I can
you
see
went to
this. Your poor
Juilliard,
children.
That is, you
So don't
that
knock?
sound. No, don't knock.
Someone once said,
You knock it, you buy it.
You got to look for a baritone sound. What do I know from baritone?
Right, that's not. So,
Okay, thank you.
I'm a grocery starter. I'm an expert at picking watermelon.
Okay.
I look for 3 things. First, you don't want any bruises or dents, so it
Okay.
should look really beautiful.
Okay.
Then get a workout at the grocery store, pick it up. Because you want a watermelon that feels heavy for its size,
Here, Marisol.
right?
Oh, she's heavy for her size.
She
She'd
looks
be weird,
weak.
but she's heavy.
She's muscular.
Yeah, she's like me. Okay, so
pretty
no
heavy.
blemishes, heavy for its size,
Yep,
and
the last thing you're looking for is this yellow spot.
Oh, you
that's
want
where
that?
she was.
You want that.
That's where she was
People
resting.
think that means it's run.
No.
It's not. That's exactly right. That's where it's set on the field and turned yellow as it ripens. So if it doesn't have that, it's not right.
Oh my gosh.
Interesting. So don't knock on it.
I just learned something.
Unless I went to Juilliard.
That's right.
Which I did not. Okay. All right. Now that we've cleared that away.
That's right.
Shall we? How do we assemble this viral TikTok salad?
It's super easy. You just
Okay.
put it in a bowl.
You just
We're
put it
looking at watermelon, fresh mint, feta, and onions.
Oh, red onion or any kind of onion?
Red onions.
Red onion.
If you're not a fan of that spicy raw onion bite, you can soak it in ice water for a few minutes.
I just learned
and
something
it takes
else.
that edge away.
Takes the edge away. Okay.
The best
And this
thing.
is fresh. What?
I know what that
lime
is.
juice.
Oh, lime juice. I was going to
Yeah.
say lemon. I don't know. Wow.
That's
We're learning.
all-
Mio is teaching. She was a grocer's daughter. She knows all this stuff. Okay.
Exactly. That's all you need. Nothing else. It's
Now,
so
did this
fresh.
all come from your garden? I take you as the kind of person that has a garden, even if you live in the middle of the city.
No.
That was your opportunity
I like
to lie.
my concrete jungle.
Yeah,
Yeah, city girl.
And
All
you
right.
just put those all together, mix, mix,
Toss them
mix.
together.
What is it about the feta and the watermelon that complement each
Oh,
other?
that's
'Cause
all right.
I
I'll
find-
have that.
You know what? Do some quality control. I find
Yeah.
that that's a combo that's so delicious.
I call it summer magic
Summer magic.
because it's the sweetness from the watermelon and the salty cheese combo.
Right.
And then it's
So
like
good.
refreshing.
They complement
So
each other.
refreshing.
I love
There
this.
you go.
Beautiful.
Okay.
All right. While we dive in, tell us about the next
Yes, yes.
salad that you brought.
Okay, so this is
Beautiful.
a Mediterranean chickpea salad.
Gorgeous.
It's chickpeas, tomatoes, cucumbers, which are in season now.
Yep.
You see olives and a really simple oregano dressing.
That's it.
This is ideal for bringing to a potluck because you can serve it cold or at room temperature.
Okay.
And what I do is I make it on a Sunday and I keep it in the fridge for 5 days. It'll
Yep.
keep for about 5 days, and I
Wow.
have it for lunch. So nourishing, so delicious.
We need
Chickpeas.
to come to her
A
house
nice,
on a Sunday.
Yeah, please do.
Come to her house on a Sunday.
I know.
And we got lunch for the rest of the week.
know.
Okay.
All right.
Here,
This
I'm
is
gonna
delicious,
serve you
by
a
the way.
little bit.
Very refreshing with the
Tomatoes look
mint.
Nice.
So bright, right?
Okay, here we go. Not me, with the football over here.
She's getting the workout.
It's become a part of my appendage now.
Can you put that down and try the Mediterranean?
No, you know what? I'm gonna. Well, let's switch sides.
All right,
Head over
let's
to the
do it.
stone fruit.
Okay, so this is just peaches. Peaches come in season later in July
Okay.
through September, and then cucumbers with a really simple basil and lime dressing. Again, really refreshing. This is the kind of thing you want to serve with meat. It's a perfect pairing. So
I
make
can
it
see a grilled chicken on that.
exactly. If you're going to throw something on the grill, make the salad.
Wow.
And it's peaches, cucumbers,
Basil,
basil.
And that's it. So
All right,
simple.
let's share this one.
Okay.
Stick a fork in that peach.
Myo Quinn.
Do I need to feed you because you're holding your
Oh,
watermelon?
you know what? I can put the watermelon down for once in my life.
Choo-choo. Okay. Myo Quinn, thank you. This is
Yeah.
all delicious. And if you want more easy recipes, Marisol's gonna, you good with that watermelon?
Yeah.
Visit simplyrecipes.com for all of this and then some.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so
Thank you
much
for
for feeding
having me.
us.